Alright, guys. So many people have been asking me recently that, Engineer Lukman, how can we improve our business digitally? How can we start making more money from our business? I used to say that your business have potential when you take it online, when you take it digital. Running business locally these days is not gonna generate a lot of income anymore because you're gonna put a lot of work into running your business locally and you get less customers. Now, this is what I tell people. Number one, make sure that you integrate social media for your businesses. Whatever business that you do, create your Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn business profile and upload your product. Set your product details and make sure you attach all of the important details about your business on the social media pages. This will help anybody that is actually looking for your business to see you. Secondly, try as much as possible to include Google My Business into your business because Google My Business gives you free promotion for your product. For people that are actually looking for products that are similar to yours on Google, Google will suggest this product to them because you have this your profile set up on Google My Business, and that is because you have set up your profile, your product, your business, and the essential details that is synchronized to your product. Number three is try as much as possible to initiate Facebook advertisements. You get more customers, you can retain your customers, sell to them, do campaign to them, and then retain this customer. And then at the end of the day, one customers can buy many products from you if you're successful with this. Imagine you making a lot of money while you're at home, you making a lot of money while you're at your shop, you making your money anywhere you are. This is just the goal, make more money. And it is only digital space that can improve, allows you to earn as much as this. And finally, make sure that you incorporate a website into your business. Having a website for your business will give you a lot of funding for your business. Remember that. Without your website, no other companies will want to partner with you because they won't take you serious and they won't see you as professional. And this is a trick. Make sure you have a professional website and try to engage other businesses, collaborate together, network, improve your offers, and then before you know it, 2024 is going to be that year of success for you to run more business and growth for your company. Thank you.